Hi, how you? So now I relay new shell Prius C uh, to 2013. Okay, you know now take up the seat and the battery and the rear seat. So take up the fan, disconnect the battery, small battery, and the high bus battery here. Okay, so the each side, each cell, each cell inside, some cells not working, so we need to relay new cell. Okay, check the cell inside, so the power broke it, so we need to relay new cell. Okay,